the Galaxy Z Fold 7 went from a decent improvement to hold up. Has Samsung just set a world record? All leaks gave us our first claimed peek at the Z Fold 7 a few months ago. The renders revealed a design very comparable to the Fold 6. Fast forward to now, though, and Samsung appears to have had a significant change of heart, since the Z Fold 7 is turning out to be a significant engineering flex. He said the phone will be about 9.5mm thick when folded, when all the leaks first revealed the information. Given the Fold 6 set at a hefty 12.2mm, that by itself was remarkable. Cutting over 3mm off a foldable is not simple. However, just when we were getting used to that figure, another source arrived and flipped things around. Tech maniacs with a solid track record are now claiming the Z Fold 7 is going to be even slimmer. Their study claims the Z Fold 7 will be only 8.2mm thick when folded. To put it in perspective, that's the same thickness as the S25 Ultra, a candy bar style phone lacking folding mechanism. That is a 4mm fall from last year's Fold 6. It's actually one-half the thickness of the OG Galaxy phone from 2019. We're presently at a stage when foldables have grown sizes we formerly expected just from conventional phones. At 8.9mm, the Oppo Find N5 is now the thinnest foldable on record. Thus, assuming this leak is accurate, the Fold 7 is roughly to destroy that by 0.7mm. Tech maniacs didn't comment much on the unfolded thickness, but logically it would be about 4.1mm or maybe even thinner. To provide you a picture, that's around the same thickness as the actual USB-C charging port. Realistically, going any thinner than that would run you into physical limits. They're likely near the bottom of what's feasible unless Samsung plans to completely abandon the port, which, let's be honest, would be mayhem. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.